This is a simple view of how different forms of cannabis work over time. For whatever reason, this is new and fascinating to the dispensary world. To think about it, the people who are on the front line selling this product, most of them know at this point, I think. Maybe I'm being mean. But the idea here is some things work quickly, but don't last a long time. Some things don't work right away, last a long time, and some things are in the middle. Good question. There's so many ways to slice it, but the method of consumption changes your body's absorption of that thing. It's either fast or long or dense or not dense. If you add time as a variable of perspective, if you zoom out, when you take cannabis now, you're going to feel an effect. Your hands will feel better or whatever. You sleep a little bit better right now. When you take it for the second or third week, cannabis is a fatty molecule. It's stored in your cells, in your fat cells of your body, and it releases a little bit each day. And as you've been taking it for 2 or 3 weeks, a little bit gets released into your system, and you actually have a sort of baseline cannabis flow. If we use non-cannabis thinking, there are people who are happy-go-lucky, and they have naturally high prevalence of anandamide, which is the body's analog of THC. And there are those grumps, those folks who just can't have a happy day. They have a different level of anandamide than people who don't. We all know this stuff. It's part of human culture. It's just finally we have a plant that makes sense as an analog. Is that getting it? So the specific answer of your question is it doesn't matter. If you're taking something for a long period of time, it's going to equilibrate. You'll find a happy medium.